We are here as a part of Illuminate Adelaide, and check out this wicked display that's happening right behind me. Whole bunch of projections and artworks happening all across the city. Some are paid, but there are a lot that are free, and it's well worth checking out. Alright, this is pretty cool. You just touching the lights.
Just touch it and then come on. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Couldn't help myself.
Check this out. Whoa, this is pretty cool.
They change colour.
Whoa, jump on and they change colour. Oh, sorry. That's crazy. What do you guys think of this?
It's actually not too bad if you've got a high energetic kid. Yeah.
No,
You just let it run wild.
No, I mean the whole exhibition that we've seen so far tonight.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I really enjoy it. This is fun though, I couldn't resist.
Yeah. How about you, buddy? What do you think?
There's one place I'm still waiting to go to. It's the only place I wanted to go all night. And some of these are really weird and abstract.
This one behind me is quite sensational. It's like these curtains of beads. Pretty cool, right? I love this stuff.
Lights!
So is this one the best one?
This is my favourite.
Pretty sensational, huh?
To see more great videos on South Australia and Australia, click on this video next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.